we're going to talk about something every developer should care about, reusability and the dry principle. What's dry? Don't repeat yourself. That means write code once and reuse it. React makes that super easy. Let's understand this with a real example. Open your project and let's create a new file inside src/components called button.js. Here's what we'll add. Import React from React. Function button, label, onClick, color equals blue. Return button onClick. Style of padding 10px, 16px, margin 6px, background color, color FF, border none, border radius 5px, cursor pointer. Export default button. We've just created a reusable button component. It takes in a label, an onClick handler, and a color. No matter how many buttons you need, this one file will do it all. Now create a new component, actions.js. JSX import React from React, import button from /button. Function actions, const handle save equals alert saved. Const handle delete alert deleted. Const handle cancel equals alert canceled. Return div reusability example, button label save on click save, color green. Button label delete, on click will delete, color red. Button label click, on handle cancel, color grave. Export default actions. What's happening here? Instead of repeating the same button HTML 3 times, we're using the same button component, passing different props. Now open app.js and render the actions component. JSX import actions from /components/actions. Function app. Return div class name app, actions div. Go to your browser at localhost 3000. Boom, you'll see 3 different buttons doing different things, all coming from one reusable component. This is the dry principle in action. It's built from one reusable component. Imagine having 50 products. You don't write 50 lines of UI. You just reuse. Reusable components equals cleaner code, faster development, and zero headache. That's the React way. Build once, reuse forever.